We're at the edge of the Electric Works development at my latest listing in West Central neighborhood. The key to this development is that you get to live, work, and play, and that's exactly what you get to do here at 1222 Jackson Street. This is truly a unique opportunity in the West Central neighborhood. This home was completely rebuilt in 2017, so you have modern amenities of an open concept, updated plumbing, electrical, and even 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms with a master primary suite. So that's 1222 Jackson Street. The house has all the amenities, but if that doesn't do for you, the neighborhood amenities sure will. So call me today to schedule your private tour.